So Thomas, this was your old set of gauges, and there's your new set. So they were actually in too bad a shape to even try to salvage, and she had everything she needed to salvage it with this gauge with this gauges right here. So let's see. We were also discussing, and there's a new horn in here to replace your old horn, which was dead on arrival, right there. So I was mentioning that we don't have your prop shaft yet. The prop shaft was due 2 months ago, and they're making a new coupling to couple up to the coupling on the back of the engine. They're going to couple up on the back of the engine. It has to mate to that coupling that's on the transmission. We could not get an original in good enough shape to hold the shaft properly without damaging the shaft. So we have this. They're actually air freighting it because they had taken their time on. They screwed up on the first coupling they made. They had to scrap it, and so they're air freighting it today to meet our demands. But I was hoping that I would have basically everything else done except for putting the shaft in. But again, like I said, we just got the gauges, and we don't have the chrome switch, and so I'm kind of throwing in the towel for. Well, not kind of throwing in the towel. I have to throw in the towel for this weekend. And we'll have to get, we also have 4 items in chrome. We have a trim ring here, we have a trim ring for the gas, we have a gas cap in chrome, and we also have the lifting ring that goes right here, and it's a very unique lifting ring. We actually had to search all over the United States for the lifting ring. We got a couple that were wrong in hopes of being able to adapt if we weren't going to be able to find the right one. We found the right one. It just came in last Monday, and so it was actually it came in last Friday. It was shipped on Monday to the chrome shop, and they're supposed to turn it around, like immediately, but obviously they're having difficulty doing that. So let's see. Oh yeah, fuel tank. I was telling you about your start switch. It lays right here. That's your start switch. Tachometer cable's in here. We've got our boot stripe on. We've done that since the last update. And we're ready to paint the bottom. With the exception of we need to be able to lift the boat off the cradle it's in, and we're missing that lifting ring right there. I'm also building transom bands, the thin band of metal that goes right here on the transom. I'm building those because we didn't have anything to start with on those, and most of the time, even if we did have something to start with, most of the time they're too badly damaged to do anything with. So I apologize for not getting to you sooner, that we aren't going to be able to make the photo shoot this weekend, because quite frankly I was just attempting, I'm ignoring everybody to try to get this done. Other customers as well, including famous movie directors. So I've been ignoring everybody in order to try to get this accomplished. But these things have a tendency of creating their own schedule, and kind of like babies being born. So anyway, here's where we're at with the project.